I'm Steve from Arrowquip. We're going to do a video today on assembling a single easy flow alley. Step one, you can see we've got our two end bows laid out and the single top cross member. So Jared's just hanging on to the one end bow. You take your top cross member and put your bolts in. Now I just want to make a point that we're just thumbing on the nuts. You don't want them super loose, but don't tighten them up, because when you stand up your frame, you need to have a bit of flex to put your side panels in. And then when everything's installed, that's when you tighten everything up. Okay, that one's complete. Now we'll do the other side. The main top cross member is bolted in the two end bows, and just a reminder, keep your bolts nice and loose, because that's important, otherwise you're going to fight putting in your side panels. So the second step is just me and Jared will just lift up and just stand it up. Jared will come down here and just assist me in putting this pin in. So this pin is on a slot like that, and you got to line it up at the top of your keyway. Sometimes it can be a little bit finicky, so you got to shift it around a bit. Okay, that one's in. Okay, your pins are into the keyway. Now just come to the top of the panel and just lift up and position. Okay. Okay, that's in place and secured. Now you got to go back to your top cross member and tighten up your bolts. So that's it. That's one EFLA section assembly completed. If you have any questions or problems when you're doing this procedure, please be free to give us a call and talk to client care, and we'll be glad to help you answer any questions or problems you might have. Thank you very much. Thank you for your time.